We're working.
What?
We're working.
Men working? What are men working on? What you doing?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Are you gonna fix it?
What's that?
What's wrong with it? Is it broken?
Working.
Do you need some more tools?
What tools?
More tools? Let's see what you're doing. Are you screwing it with the screwdriver? You're doing a good job.
More screwdriver.
More screwdrivers. I don't think you need more, but are men working?
We're working.
Men working. Stand aside. Men are working. What's the car gonna say when you get it fixed? What will it say? What does the car say? Vroom vroom. That's right. What color is your little car? Oh, did you fix it? Hey, you want to take it in the other room? Good job, buddy. You fixed it.